February 15, 2024. 29 degrees outside, bro. Seal is on. We'll get that salt, take it over to Joliet, and we'll be done. That will be our day today. You guys are truck drivers with me, so let's do this thing right now. We have now arrived at the Home Depot in Flushing, Michigan, I guess. I'm gonna drop the trailer. This one, I'm gonna drop it just here. I'm gonna get one from the dock over there, move it somewhere, drop that one, pick this one up, and then move that one to that space, and pick that empty one up again. And then we're gonna take that one. Put in the address for our new destination, which is gonna be up in Michigan. I've been there like 3 times to pick up like salt, and I guess it is salt season because it's like snowing like crazy. Hopefully the ride is good, man. Gotta pray. Dude, I think I'm gonna be stuck here all night. So I'm gonna check the weather right now and see if I could even move, continue moving or not. So it looks like, oh no, man. It looks like I'm probably gonna be stuck here all day. Hey Tim, it's Jose.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey man, I think I'm gonna be stuck here for a little while. Alright guys, we're gonna go drop a deuce real quick at the rest stop. Thank God, at least we found the rest stop. And we'll just continue waiting after that. Damn, that pot's looking real tasty right now. Ooh, it says kiwi watermelon. Quit being a freaking idiot, bro. Go drink some freaking water. Make it from the snow. Yeah, that's a great idea.
Nah, come on, man. We're not that desperate yet. Ah! Okay, let's go. Let's get the hell out of here. Alright guys, we're here at Manistee, Michigan. This is where we pick up the salt, and then after this we head down to Joliet. But since we got a little delayed over there with the snow, I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it to Joliet tonight. But Sopa Maruchan. Instant lunch it says, bro. I guess it is. It looks really good, bro. I mean, to me it does, because I haven't ate good today, dude. It sucks. Being a trucker is tough, man. If you're gonna be a trucker and you're watching this video, I'm telling you, bro, it's tough, but it's a lifestyle. So it's kind of like, if you don't love it, then you're just not gonna make it, because it's gonna be a burden on you, you know. But since I love it, I don't mind doing all this, because at the end of the day, it's what I like to do. You guys see that green light? Doesn't mean we're ready to go yet. It just means we barely got here and they haven't even started loading us. So we're gonna be here a while, probably, but they are usually fast here. Gonna go to Planet Fitness, and all I'm gonna do is shower. So I'm gonna call this a night, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Stick around for more.